Hello, I'm an alien. You can call me Al. This is the conclusion to my message. Human politics are failing. False promises divert attention from potential catastrophe. Inaction buys another 4 years in power for parasites. Disinformation delays the setting of goals and the starting of projects. Corruption, vested interests pay to protect their polluting practices, and confusion deliberately keeps people in the dark as long as possible. For example, the European Carbon Credits Initiative has been torpedoed by small-minded politicians setting slack targets for their mates in industry, thus ruining the value of the permits. Where is the global policeman who's going to wave the stick when America fails to honour its promises? Now it's up to everyone to act, put some politicians in place who will not sell out to big biz, and implement the 6-prong plan. Use social media to spread ideas directly. Appeal to the older population who have the time, the resources and the voting power. They need to study the real issues at stake here and apply a healthy cynicism to reject empty promises and false targets. This is more important to the survival of your planet than overpopulation, disease, pollution, nuclear war even. Small things are important in the long term, but immediately you need to initiate some major action. The question, of course, is what? I would pick 4 big projects to start with. 1, ocean mixing to moderate temperatures in the sea and slow the ice cap melting. 2, the capture of natural methane emissions to slow the build-up of CO2 in the atmosphere. 3, methane hydrate harvesting from continental shelves to reduce knock-on effects. And 4, mountain water capture to relieve drought and raise land levels. On the political front, it's important to establish meaningful carbon targets. This can be done on a national basis. A World Carbon Trading Bank. Your society is based on money. The World Carbon Trading Bank should be allowed to allocate grants to various projects. And you need a publicly visible carbon counter. For example, global megatons per week. When it starts to go negative, we can all relax. Here's a last thought. Global warming is a problem. A massive problem. Humanity acting on a world scale can solve it. You have a beautiful planet and it's not too late to save it. And there's also an opportunity. At some stage in the development of any sentient planet, it has to evolve an intelligence with the ability to take control of its own future. Much like the brain develops in a young sentient animal. Humans are currently poised to take this role, and the resolution of the current crisis may well decide whether they're fit to become the custodians of spaceship Earth, or whether we will have to wait another 1,000,000 years. Time will tell. Well, I hope you enjoyed our series. My friend Al tends to be a bit outspoken, but maybe we should be taking some of his message seriously. So, in case you missed it, here is the 6-prong plan once again. 1, reduce human CO2 emissions where possible. Concentrate on the big issues. 2, capture other carbon emissions, especially methane, to compensate for the human stuff. 3, introduce mitigation measures. Reduce the impact of climate change. 4, identify and diffuse secondary knock-on effects. 5, reduce CO2 in the atmosphere using wind and wave energy. And 6, add environmental bonus points. Build in green energy generation to all your projects. For more information and exciting projects, look at our website, globalwarmingresponse.org.